Unraveling Sleeping Capacity, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, sleeping capacity. Understanding this phrase is not only about grasping its definition but also knowing when and how to use it in real-life situations. Whether you are booking a hotel or planning a camping trip, this phrase can be very useful. Let's get started. Sleeping capacity refers to the maximum number of people who can sleep in a given space or accommodation comfortably. This term is often used in the context of hotels, vacation rentals, and other types of lodging. It's important to note that sleeping capacity considers the available sleeping arrangements, like beds, sofa beds, or bunk beds, and does not necessarily correspond to the size of the space. Hotels and accommodations. In hotels and vacation rentals, sleeping capacity ensures that guests have adequate and comfortable sleeping arrangements. It's crucial for maintaining the quality of stay and adhering to safety regulations. Camping and outdoor activities. For camping or outdoor activities, sleeping capacity is often mentioned with tents or RVs. It helps campers choose the right equipment for the number of people in their group, ensuring everyone has a safe and comfortable place to sleep. Event planning. When organizing events like conferences or retreats where participants stay overnight, understanding the sleeping capacity of the venue is essential. It helps in planning and ensuring that all participants have proper accommodations. When booking or planning any activity involving an overnight stay, always consider the following. Check the sleeping capacity of the accommodation or equipment before making a reservation. Understand that the number might include sofa beds or bunk beds, which may not be suitable for everyone. For large groups or families, consider accommodations with a sleeping capacity slightly higher than your group size for extra comfort. Understanding the term, sleeping capacity, can greatly enhance your travel and planning experiences. It ensures comfort, safety, and compliance with regulations. We hope this video helps you in making more informed decisions when booking your next stay or planning an outdoor adventure. Happy travels and sweet dreams in your perfectly suited accommodations.